Welcome to our exploration of the incredible physiological systems that keep the human body functioning every second of every day. Human physiology is a complex web of interdependent systems, each with its own unique role, yet all working together seamlessly. In this video, we'll journey through the major physiological systems, uncovering how they operate and support life. From the moment you wake up to the time you fall asleep, these systems are hard at work, maintaining balance and responding to your environment. Let's begin by understanding what a physiological system is and why it's so essential for our survival. Physiological system is a group of organs and tissues that work together to perform a specific function necessary for life. These systems are intricately connected, ensuring that the body operates smoothly. For example, the respiratory system brings in oxygen while the circulatory system delivers it to cells. Without these systems working in harmony, our bodies wouldn't be able to maintain homeostasis or respond to changes in our environment. Understanding these systems helps us appreciate the complexity and resilience of the human body. Start with the circulatory system, often called the body's transportation network. This system includes the heart, blood, and blood vessels. Its main job is to deliver oxygen and nutrients to every cell while removing waste products like carbon dioxide. The heart pumps tirelessly, ensuring blood flows continuously throughout the body. Without the circulatory system, our organs and tissues wouldn't receive the resources they need to function. It's a remarkable example of efficiency and coordination. Next, we have the respiratory system, which is responsible for bringing oxygen into the body and expelling carbon dioxide. This system includes the nose, trachea, lungs, and diaphragm. Every breath you take is a result of this system's coordinated effort. Oxygen from the air enters your lungs and diffuses into the bloodstream, while carbon dioxide is expelled when you exhale. The respiratory and circulatory systems work closely together to keep your body supplied with the oxygen it needs. Digestive system is your body's way of turning food into energy. It starts at the mouth, where food is broken down by chewing and saliva. The journey continues through the esophagus, stomach, and intestines, where nutrients are absorbed and waste is prepared for elimination. Enzymes and acids play a crucial role in breaking down complex molecules. The digestive system ensures that your body gets the fuel it needs to grow, repair, and function every day. Nervous system is the body's communication network. It includes the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. This system processes information from the environment and coordinates responses, allowing you to think, feel, move, and react. The nervous system controls both voluntary actions like walking and involuntary actions like your heartbeat. It's essential for memory, learning, and every sensation you experience. Without it, the body would be unable to function or adapt to changes. Musculoskeletal system provides structure and movement. It consists of bones, muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Bones give the body its shape and protect vital organs, while muscles contract to produce movement. Joints allow flexibility, and tendons connect muscles to bones. This system enables you to walk, run, lift, and perform countless activities. It also plays a role in producing blood cells and storing minerals, making it vital for overall health. Immune system is your body's defense mechanism against disease and infection. It includes white blood cells, antibodies, the lymphatic system, and various organs like the spleen and thymus. This system identifies and destroys harmful invaders such as bacteria, viruses, and parasites. It also remembers past infections, providing immunity. A healthy immune system is essential for fighting off illness and keeping you well. Endocrine system is responsible for producing and regulating hormones, which are chemical messengers that control many body functions. This system includes glands such as the pituitary, thyroid, and adrenal glands. Hormones influence growth, metabolism, mood, and reproduction. The endocrine system works closely with the nervous system to maintain balance and respond to stress. Its precise regulation is crucial for overall health and development. Urinary system, also known as the renal system, removes waste products from the blood and maintains fluid and electrolyte balance. It includes the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. The kidneys filter blood, producing urine that carries waste out of the body. This system also helps regulate blood pressure and pH levels. Proper functioning of the urinary system is essential for detoxification and maintaining internal stability. Reproductive system is responsible for producing offspring and ensuring the continuation of the species. In females, it includes the ovaries, fallopian tubes, uterus, and vagina. In males, it consists of the testes, vas deferens, and penis. This system produces gametes, eggs, and sperm, and hormones that regulate sexual development and reproduction. It's essential for genetic diversity and the survival of humanity. Integumentary system includes the skin, hair, nails, and associated glands. It acts as a barrier, protecting the body from injury, infection, and dehydration. The skin also helps regulate body temperature and allows for the sensation of touch, pain, and temperature. This system is the body's first line of defense and plays a key role in maintaining overall health. Lymphatic system is closely linked to the immune system. It consists of lymph nodes, lymph vessels, and lymph fluid. This system helps remove toxins, waste, and other unwanted materials from the body. It also transports white blood cells and plays a crucial role in defending against infection. The lymphatic system maintains fluid balance and supports immune function. Skeletal system is made up of all the bones in your body, along with cartilage, ligaments, and joints. It provides structure, protects internal organs, and enables movement in conjunction with the muscular system. Bones also store minerals and produce blood cells in the bone marrow. The skeletal system is fundamental for support, protection, and movement. Muscular system consists of all the muscles in the body. There are three types: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac muscles. Skeletal muscles enable voluntary movement, smooth muscles control involuntary actions like digestion, and cardiac muscle powers the heart. Muscles work by contracting and relaxing, allowing for movement, posture, and heat production. Cardiovascular system is often used interchangeably with the circulatory system, but it specifically refers to the heart and blood vessels. This system is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body, delivering oxygen and nutrients, and removing waste products. It also helps regulate body temperature and pH balance. The cardiovascular system is vital for sustaining life and supporting all other physiological systems. Key function of the respiratory system is gas exchange. In the lungs, oxygen from inhaled air passes into the bloodstream, while carbon dioxide from the blood is expelled during exhalation. This exchange occurs in tiny air sacs called alveoli. Efficient gas exchange is crucial for maintaining the body's energy levels and removing metabolic waste. Homeostasis is the body's ability to maintain a stable internal environment despite external changes. All physiological systems contribute to homeostasis by regulating temperature, pH, fluid balance, and more. For example, the kidneys regulate water and salt levels while the skin helps control body temperature. Homeostasis is essential for health and survival. No physiological system works in isolation. Each system depends on others to function properly. For example, the muscular system needs oxygen from the respiratory system and nutrients from the digestive system. The nervous and endocrine systems coordinate responses across the body. This interdependence ensures that the body can adapt, heal, and thrive in changing conditions. Feedback mechanisms are processes that help maintain homeostasis. Negative feedback loops reduce the effect of a stimulus, like sweating, to cool down when you're hot. Positive feedback loops amplify a response, such as during childbirth. These mechanisms are vital for regulating physiological functions and keeping the body in balance. Circulatory system plays a key role in transporting nutrients absorbed by the digestive system to cells throughout the body. Blood carries glucose, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, ensuring that every cell receives the fuel it needs. This efficient transport system supports growth, repair, and energy production. Several physiological systems work together to remove waste products from the body. The urinary system filters blood and excretes waste as urine, while the respiratory system expels carbon dioxide. The digestive system eliminates solid waste. Efficient waste removal is essential for preventing toxic buildup and maintaining health. Oxygen is vital for cellular respiration, the process by which cells produce energy. The respiratory system brings in oxygen and the circulatory system delivers it to tissues. Without adequate oxygen, cells can't function properly, leading to fatigue and organ failure. Efficient oxygen delivery is crucial for life. Hormones are chemical messengers that regulate many physiological processes, from growth and metabolism to mood and reproduction. The endocrine system releases hormones into the bloodstream, where they travel to target organs. Hormonal balance is essential for health, and imbalances can lead to various disorders. Nervous system is responsible for sensory perception. It receives information from the environment through the senses: sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell. This information is processed in the brain, allowing you to interpret and respond to your surroundings. Sensory perception is essential for safety, learning, and interaction. Movement is made possible by the musculoskeletal and nervous systems working together. The brain sends signals through nerves to muscles, causing them to contract and produce movement. Coordination ensures that movements are smooth and purposeful, allowing for activities like walking, running, and writing. The immune and integumentary systems work together to protect the body from disease. The skin acts as a physical barrier, while the immune system identifies and destroys pathogens. Vaccines and immunity help the body remember and fight off infections more effectively. Maintaining a stable body temperature is crucial for enzyme function and overall health. The integumentary, circulatory, and nervous systems work together to regulate temperature. Sweating, shivering, and blood flow adjustments help keep the body within a safe range, regardless of external conditions. Urinary, digestive, and endocrine systems help maintain fluid and electrolyte balance. This balance is essential for nerve function, muscle contraction, and overall cellular health. The kidneys play a major role by filtering blood and adjusting the concentration of electrolytes like sodium and potassium. Blood sugar levels are regulated by the endocrine system, particularly the pancreas. Insulin and glucagon are hormones that help maintain glucose levels within a narrow range. Proper regulation is vital for energy production and preventing conditions like diabetes. Blood pressure is controlled by the cardiovascular, nervous, and endocrine systems. The heart, blood vessels, and hormones work together to maintain optimal pressure. This ensures that organs receive enough blood without causing damage to vessels. Proper regulation is essential for preventing heart disease and stroke. Growth and development are regulated by hormones produced by the endocrine system. These hormones influence cell division, bone growth, and sexual maturation. Proper growth is essential for reaching physical and mental milestones throughout life. The reproductive system, along with hormones from the endocrine system, controls reproduction and fertility. This includes the production of gametes, regulation of menstrual cycles, and support for pregnancy and childbirth. Fertility is influenced by health, hormones, and environmental factors. Cellular respiration is the process by which cells convert glucose and oxygen into energy, carbon dioxide, and water. This process occurs in the mitochondria and is essential for powering all cellular activities. The respiratory and circulatory systems supply the necessary oxygen and nutrients for this process. One remarkable feature of the immune system is its ability to remember past infections. When exposed to a pathogen, the immune system creates memory cells that recognize and respond more rapidly if the same invader returns. This is the principle behind vaccinations and long-term immunity. Sensory integration is the process by which the brain combines information from different senses to create a coherent picture of the environment. This allows you to react appropriately to complex situations, such as catching a ball or navigating a busy street. The nervous system is central to this function. Muscle contraction is the process that enables movement. It occurs when nerve impulses trigger muscle fibers to shorten. This process requires energy from cellular respiration and is regulated by the nervous and muscular systems. Muscle contraction is essential for everything from walking to maintaining posture. Blood clotting is a vital process that prevents excessive bleeding when you're injured. Platelets and clotting factors in the blood work together to form a clot at the site of injury. This process is tightly regulated to prevent both excessive bleeding and unwanted clots. Nerve impulse transmission is how the nervous system communicates. Electrical signals travel along neurons, allowing for rapid communication between the brain, spinal cord, and body. This process enables sensation, movement, and reflexes, and is fundamental to all nervous system functions. Hormonal feedback loops are mechanisms that regulate hormone levels in the body. For example, when blood sugar rises, insulin is released to lower it. When levels return to normal, insulin secretion decreases. These loops ensure that physiological processes remain balanced and responsive to change. The immune system uses multiple strategies to defend against pathogens. Physical barriers like skin, chemical barriers like stomach acid, and immune cells all work together to identify and destroy invaders. This multi-layered defense is essential for preventing infection and disease. The kidneys are remarkable organs that filter waste products from the blood, regulate fluid and electrolyte balance, and maintain pH. They produce urine, which carries waste out of the body. Proper kidney function is vital for detoxification and overall health. Maintaining the correct pH in the body is essential for enzyme function and metabolic processes. The respiratory and urinary systems work together to regulate pH by removing carbon dioxide and hydrogen ions. This delicate balance supports all physiological functions. Integration of all physiological systems is what makes life possible. Each system has specialized functions, but they all communicate and cooperate to maintain health. This integration allows the body to adapt, heal, and perform complex tasks. Understanding this interconnectedness is key to appreciating human physiology. We've journeyed through the major physiological systems and their vital functions. From delivering oxygen and nutrients to defending against disease and maintaining balance, these systems work tirelessly to keep us alive and healthy. Understanding how they operate not only deepens our appreciation for the human body, but also highlights the importance of taking care of our health. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of human physiology.